First of all, thank you very much for your able assistance, both of you. We have pondered over the matter from diverse angles, and we'll write the order today, but the points on which we are deciding is, number one, the sentence of the petitioner is suspended for a period of 6 weeks from the date of his release. Silence, please. There are many points you will be advised to kindly listen patiently. In these 6 weeks, he shall not leave Pakistan, and nor shall he be allowed to leave the country. Number two, bail shall automatically stand cancelled upon expiry of 6 weeks, whereupon he shall surrender voluntarily, failing which he shall be retaken into custody. Number three, the petitioner shall get himself medically treated during these 6 weeks from medical practitioners and medical facilities of his own choice in Pakistan. Number four, if his health still requires medical attention after these 6 weeks, he shall, after surrender to custody or having been retaken into custody, apply afresh for bail before the High Court. Number five, if by that time his appeal has been decided by the High Court, then the matter of custody shall be regulated by the High Court thereafter. So, for these 6 weeks, he is admitted to bail upon suspension of sentence, upon furnishing surety of 5 million rupees with 2 sureties each in the like amount, to the satisfaction of the additional registrar judicial of Supreme Court. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. 2 million, 5 million.